Short while earlier, we saw Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi, other top leaders, who actually were detained. In fact, several other top leaders who are present over here as well. Let's quickly try and get the word from the other members of parliament who have come in here. We have Kumari Selja joining us over here. Kumari Selja ji, what would you like to say about the manner in which the police has behaved over here and about your protest? Will the protest continue?
But this is what we are saying. This is total dictatorship in this country. There is no democracy. There's no democratic system alive in this country.
Ma'am, are you going to raise this issue continuously?
We have raised it in the House. We will keep raising it in the House. We will keep raising it on the roads.
Ma'am, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who came here, says that first he was assured by Rahul ji that he would be okay if there's a discussion in House. Then when he got the permission, Rahul ji said that he wants a resignation.
No. These were all said together. There's nothing like that there's only one condition. No. All
he
these
claims that Rahul ji
conditions we have been. But ये तो बीजेपी क्या है? भारतीय झूठी सरकार है, झूठी पार्टी है.
Okay. So that's the response coming in from the Congress party to what Dr. Jitendra Singh said, because he was very clear and categorical that there was a volte-face, there was a change of the position as far as the Congress party is concerned. That first Rahul Gandhi demanded that there be a discussion in House, and when that was agreed upon, Jitendra Singh in his post very clearly saying that Rahul Gandhi then said that he needs the resignation of the education minister. So hugely dramatic scenes right outside LKM. You can see the massive deployment as far as security is concerned over here, something that we very, very rarely see, and this kind of drama taking place the day after the CGP protests and the kind of violence that we saw on the streets of New Delhi. Let me go across to Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, where are all of those who have been detained going to be taken? Are they going to be taken to the Parliament Street police station or some other location? Can you tell our viewers what to expect next?
So political parties have been shifted to Mandir Marg and sometimes to Parliament Street police station. We can tell that most of the leaders of...
And will you continue the protest as well? Will you continue the protest in coming days? Are you demand is of the resignation of the education minister?
To protests that happened, such protests don't happen in the capital. It's been a very rare occasion. We had seen such protests happening in the capital a decade back, but a protest like this by opposition, leader of opposition, was something that one never expected, and it went on for over 2 hours with Home Secretary as well as MOS PMO.
Of course, the traffic along with that, but DK Shivkumar in fact talking over there, saying that this is our democratic right. We're going to continue to protest on the issue of education. He, of course, among the leaders who have been detained and been taken into that bus that we see over here. So huge amount of deployment as far as police is concerned, extremely dramatic turn of events. And if the government was criticized during the CJP protest for not engaging, this time around at least they have sent the Minister of State and the Prime Minister's office, the Home Secretary, come out and reach out to Rahul Gandhi. Now the version of Jitendra Singh is that they first agreed to a discussion inside the House. That was a demand placed by Rahul Gandhi, and once he got that permission from the the top levels of the government, then Rahul Gandhi changed his demand and asked for the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. This is a stated position of Dr. Jitendra Singh, something that Congress party denies. They are coming out to say that they have always demanded the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, and they will continue to do so. They will continue the fight inside and outside of Parliament as far as this key issue is concerned. So extremely dramatic scenes over here, dramatic turn of events. You can see Priyanka Gandhi. In fact, the camera can just pan and show you. She's standing on the footboard of that particular bus, and she's about to be taken inside the bus. And of course, she, along with several of her party members of Parliament, are going to enter the bus and continue. In fact, as far as the protest is concerned, they are likely to be taken to the Parliament Street police station or one of the nearby police stations where they would be where they would be detained. The Tilak Bagh police station is also not very far from here. So Tughlaq Road police station also not very far from here. So whether they would be taken there remains to be seen. But very clearly, important turn of events as far as today's protest is concerned. We've seen, of course, dramatic scenes yesterday, and today for the second consecutive day, we're looking at a similar sort of a situation on the streets of Lutyens, Delhi, on the streets of the national capital, something that we very, very regularly do not see, and certainly an unprecedented scene that has been seen as far as this government is concerned in the past 12 years. Let me also try and go across to my other colleagues who are joining us at this point of time. Sabyasachi, if you can hear me, these protests have been, of course, very significant. We have seen the Congress party coming and making its point, but what does this mean for the larger issue of opposition unity? We've seen Akhilesh Yadav, we've seen Supriya Sule come in over here, but the left has been missing. We've also not seen over here, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party. Sabyasachi.
Rashtrapati Bhavan, but that did not happen because we have seen that both Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, in fact, put out a message while leaving the parliament that the Rashtrapati is not in the city. Now, after that, that allegation that has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party, surely saying that the Congress Party is trying to weaken the agitation of the CJP, and this move by the Congress Party to carry out the protest in front of the residence of Prime Minister without keeping the opposition parties in acknowledge. But we have seen that whether it is Akhilesh Yadav, Supriya Shule, all these leaders were here extending their support to Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party. And the major question, it is the common agenda as far as